the syrup. First, let's add water. The water is almost getting up. Then we add the sugar. Let it boil for 15 minutes. Yes, the sugar syrup is getting ready. First, let's knead the paneer. It's super fun doing the things. We are done kneading it. Now let's make it into a small balls. Now we made it into balls. If we boil this into the rubbery, it becomes Rasamalai. The sugar syrup is ready. Now let's keep the balls in. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. When the ball size doubles, that means it's time to turn off the stove. Time to squeeze the rasgulas. Squeeze! And shift it to a plate. Let's make rubbery. It's always better to take their parents' help.